Hi, I'm Pavana Deepa and I am a nurse at the Neonatal Intensive Care Unit at Fernandez Hospital, Hyderguda. I've been working as a NICU nurse for 2 years. I was always drawn to the innocence and purity of children. I wanted to do something in my career that would make a difference in their lives. Something that is challenging, interesting, and can keep me going as well. So, I pursued my bachelor's degree in nursing to work toward my goal. Each day, I learn something new in the NICU with babies, and each day I make some difference in their treatment. That feeling keeps me motivated to work more and more. A nurse is the heart of not just the NICU, but all ICUs. To serve somebody for their healing is the greatest job that you can do for humanity, especially for tiny newborns. Working in a team like NICU in a prestigious institution like Fernandez Hospital motivates me every day. I find it very uplifting to be in an environment where I am not only growing myself, but also helping the babies grow. I take pride in witnessing the determination of our babies fight for life and being able to support the babies in their best chance at survival. Also, being a trusted source of support to their families is very rewarding. There were many memorable moments in these 2 years of working at Fernandez Hospital. The condition of preterm babies is generally very fragile and often changes quickly. Monitoring them closely and picking up on their potentially sick condition early improves their survival chances. Quite a few times, I've been in a position where I have picked up on these changes early and made a difference in treatments. That feeling is very satisfactory. Many mothers have appreciated our efforts. When parents come to follow up later with their babies, they meet us and talk to us. They never forget how we made them feel. It's a beautiful profession where you will love the challenges and hardships of the job. Especially, being a neonatal nurse is very rewarding as we are part of a heroic journey. Babies' feet may be tiny, but they leave a mark forever in our hearts.